Hey everyone. So today we are going to practice something new. We're going to be learning a little bit about digital art. Since I want you guys to have as much experience with different kinds of art as possible, today we are going to work on all of the art terms that we've been working on every single part of this whole year. And you guys are going to merge it together into one file. Now, as you can see from the example here, this image right here is what you guys are going to be doing. This image shows every single one of our art terms. It shows color, it shows form, it shows texture, it shows value, it shows all the different things that we've been working on. So this is just the example, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So follow along with what I'm doing. I'm going to close this little button up here, new. Mine is already preset to open 1024 by 1024. Make sure that this transparent button is checked because we're going to open up a transparent file. So you're going to say OK, and that's going to open it up. Now you can use your mouse wheel to make it bigger and smaller. I like mine a little bit smaller because I like to be able to see all the edges. Now the first thing you're going to do is grab this selection tool and come up here and make it into a circle. Put your cursor right in the center and draw your circle. Doesn't matter how big, but you do want to leave a little bit of space, okay? Then the second thing, you're going to grab your flood tool, which is the little bucket looking thing. Click on that, and as you can see, I've got two different colors up right now. The gradient we're going to be using later, and the black we're going to probably use right now. So right click, because this is the secondary color, and fill your circle up. All right, then you can grab your selection tool, right click, and that deselects it. Okay, so now you have a image here with your black circle. Now the other thing we're going to be working with is right down in this area. These are the layers. So this is how you can do multiple things on top of your original image. So you're going to click down here, new raster layer, say OK with the pop-up box. I know that didn't pop up in your view, but make sure you hit OK. And now we have another layer on top, okay? So what I'm going to do now is grab the selection tool again. This time, go back to rectangle, and I'm going to select the whole thing, okay? And what we're going to do is, actually I want this to be, we'll work on that later, sorry about that, but I want this just to be a color. So we're going to grab the flood tool again, and this time hit your left button, and now the whole thing is green. But don't worry, unselect, you can see that the layer is still there. Now because I want this to be on top of this one, just pull and pull it up on top, and there you go. All right, so that's the new thing. Now we're going to do another new layer, okay? And we are going to just, again, here's your pop-up box, raster, okay? And I'm going to draw some lines. All right, so now normally our color wheel has 6 lines. This we're going to do 8 just because it's easier. So you're going to grab your paintbrush. Now the size, as you can see for mine, way too big. So you're going to come up here, make your size down to 10. No, that's too small. We're going to go up to 25. Yeah, that's a little better. You can put your cursor up in the top corner, and because I want my lines, oh, wait a second, sorry. We want our lines to be a different color than the background and this right now. Right now we're just doing our shapes. We're going to put the colors in later. So you click on this box, your color wheel, which is what we're going to create, pops up. Pick any different color that you want. I personally like that color. And now come from the top, and then bring your cursor down here, press the shift bar on your keyboard, and it'll create that line. Do the same thing up here, come down to this corner, press the shift bar, and you make your line. Now here it's not going to be perfect, but don't worry about it. We're going to come from about center down to about center. Press your shift bar, there's a line. As you can see, mine is a little cross, but that's okay. Same thing from side, shift bar, side. All right, again, my lines aren't perfect, but that's okay. They don't have to be. This is art. All right. Now I'm going to hide my bottom layer. I want to hide this green. Okay, so you see the little eyeball next to it. I'm just going to hide that. And we're going to stop with this stage because now this video is going to be too long.